Hey, what's up? Jigzer here. Ever wondered if you could change the email link to your Supercell ID in Brawl Stars? In this video, I'll show you how to change it with these easy steps. Let's go. Before you begin, ensure you have a new email address or have an access to existing one that isn't already linked to a Supercell ID. Launch Brawl Stars. Log into your account and click the three lines icon in the top right corner to access settings. Find the Supercell ID section and tap on the gear icon. Here you should see your current Supercell ID email address. Tap the Change Email next to it. Choose Yes if you have access to your current Supercell ID email. If you no longer have access to your current Supercell ID email, you'll need to contact Supercell support for assistance. They have a guide for lost accounts on their website. You can find the link below the description box. A verification code will be sent to your current email address. Enter the code in the prompt within Brawl Stars. Follow the remaining on-screen instructions to finalize changing your Supercell ID email. Enter your new email address, then tap on Submit to confirm it. A verification code will then be sent to your new email address. Enter the code to complete the process. Note that you can change your Supercell ID email address multiple times. That's it. If I could help you, feel free to give this video a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe. Leave a comment down below if you have any questions. See you next time. Bye.